In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify plan. Knowing exactly which Shopify plan your store is on helps you understand your current features, expected billing, and what support level you have, so let's walk through it clearly and quickly. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings for your store. Once you're in, you will see the sidebar along the left. Scroll if needed all the way to the bottom of that sidebar and look for settings. It's the gear icon in the lower left corner. Go ahead and click settings to open the full settings area for your store. Inside settings, find and select plan. This opens the page dedicated to your store's subscription details. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but the information you need is always in the same place on this page. At the very top, look for a section labeled current plan. This is where Shopify summarizes the subscription your store is currently using. You'll typically see the plan name, such as Basic, Shopify Advanced, or Plus, along with your billing frequency, like monthly or yearly. You might also see details such as the next billing date, whether you're on a trial, and any notes about included features or usage limits. The goal here is simply to confirm what your active plan is right now. Right in that current plan section, you'll see your active plan listed clearly. If you manage more than one store, take a second to confirm you're in the correct store by checking the store name at the top of the admin. If the page looks a bit different on a smaller screen, maximize your browser or use a desktop view so the current plan header is easier to spot. For your records, you can jot down the plan name or take a quick screenshot so you have it handy when budgeting or discussing features with your team. That's all there is to it. Sign into your Shopify admin, open settings from the bottom left corner, select plan, and read the current plan section at the top to see your active plan. Keeping this information top of mind makes it easier to evaluate costs, understand available features, and plan for growth without surprises. If you need to double check later, just repeat these steps and you'll find the same summary at the top of the plan page every time.